think about today, it's like the Korean War in reverse because China's dribbling out aid to Russia. Russia's actually getting wrecked by Ukraine, right? The death rate is Russia's got, what is it, 3 times the population or something of Ukraine, but it's the death rate that it's suffering is really high. And these are only children. This is no longer the 10 children, 6 children peasant families in Russia.
Mm-hmm.
And it's looking from Xi Jinping, oh, the longer this goes on, the better. Just let Putin keep on working his magic, and I get to sell him stuff. I'll get him to lower the prices of resources because the man's desperate, and Putin will find himself under a Chinese yoke that he does not like. And then at some point, the Russians will reassess, and I don't think they'll like that. I don't. The Russians fancy themselves being Europeans and have a whole, I believe, racist package that goes with the Chinese, so that they won't like that whole situation. I don't know how long it takes them to do whatever they're going to do. So a lot of things in foreign policy, you're not going to solve it. You're not going to. They're huge countries. There's no way you're going to solve it. But you need to figure out how to manage it. So to have a blast shield, so that whatever fallout comes from their toxic, whatever they're doing, it minimizes how it hits your friends and partners. And this is why you should be focusing on maximizing the economic growth of your friends and partners, because that is the only effective way to deal with them. If you go it alone, I mean, who deals with a bully alone? Always gang up on them, right? I mean, really, why would you ever want to go alone with a bully? You'd want to go in with lots of friends. And this is what the World War II generation, so the Marshall Plan, you look at it, you could never get something through that like Congress now, right? And yet it's passed overwhelmingly in Congress because people get it, that you have to spend real money and then the European economies recover. How are they going to do it? Buying our stuff. It's a tremendous win-win. So in strategy, you want to figure out win-win things instead of these zero-sum things where, oh, I invite you over, I humiliate you, I feel good, and then you're mad forever. It's pointless.
Great note to close on.
Oh, don't humiliate people. Be kind to each other. Yes.
Well, it's a good callback because I've been asking you all these naive questions and you've been very kind to not humiliate me. So.
If you enjoyed this clip, you can watch the full episode here and subscribe for more clips. Thanks.